Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. On today's video, I want to show you how you can create this kind of avatar that has hand gestures and realistic lip movements. If you want to learn how to do this, then you have to watch this video to the end. If you're a creator on YouTube that creates videos on storytelling, this is the best way to make sure that your videos are very engaging. And also, if you want to start a faceless channel, this is the right way to go about it. It is going to make your videos look more enjoyable and very engaging for your viewers. Now let's get right into it. The very first thing you want to do is create an avatar image. To do that, all you have to do is go into ChatGPT and ask ChatGPT to create a prompt for you. So you want to be very detailed with what you're telling ChatGPT to do for you, so that by the time you're creating your image, you're getting a very detailed image of your avatar and exactly what you want. You can see what I wrote here. You can use my prompt if you want to, or you can create your prompt and customize it to whatever you want. So my prompt says, I want to create a 3D avatar using Leonardo AI. I need a prompt for this. Include this in the prompt. A beautiful girl with black skin, curly hair that gets to her shoulder. She's in a studio facing the camera, wearing a blue dress with her hands showing. So now ChatGPT is going to create a prompt for us. If you are not okay with whatever it has created, all you have to do is to just ask ChatGPT to create more. As you can see me doing here, I'm asking for more options. So that way you can get like different prompts, and then you can pick whatever looks great for you, or pick whatever looks nicer that you think would be able to give you the perfect avatar. Now I'm going to copy the one that I like best, and then I'm going to go into Leonardo AI. This is what we're going to be using to create our avatar image. So you want to set your AI before you start, Leonardo AI. So I'm going to change the model and presets to Phonics 1.0. As image dimension, I'm going to change it to 16.9 because we're going to be using this for YouTube, and that is the dimension that YouTube requires. And number of image is going to be 4, right? And now all you have to do is paste the prompts that you have copied from ChatGPT and then click on generate. This is Leonardo AI generating a picture for me. These are the picture that I got. I'm going to click the third part here, as you can see, just to zoom out the pictures. And this is what I got. I don't want an avatar that has an open, you get what I mean, an open body. So I want my avatar to be fully dressed. So I'm going to edit the prompt and just include that she has to have like a covered body, as you can see me doing. So one thing that you can do is to just keep generating until you are okay with it. I'm going to click on generate, and it's going to generate more pictures, more avatar pictures for me. You can keep generating until you're satisfied with whatever you get. So I'm going to click on this and just zoom the picture out and see if I'm okay with this. This is perfect. So I'm going to be using this. All I have to do is save it, and I'll be able to get the avatar picture on my system or my phone, whatever you're using. So the next thing we want to do now is get our avatar to have lip and hand movements. So to do this, we're going to go into our browser and search for Hello AI avatar. When you click on it, you're going to be directed to this page. Now where you see the plus sign that says drag, paste, click to upload an image, you're going to click there, and then you're going to upload the picture that you have saved in the previous AI we used, Leonardo AI, and then you're going to upload it. Then the next thing you want to do is paste your prompts. you want to paste exactly what you want your AI to do. So I already have my prompts saved on my document. I'm just going to go there and copy the prompt, and then I'll go back into Hello and then paste this prompt. You can see what the prompt says. It says static shoots. Please ignore the typo error. A static shoot of a happy girl looking straight into the camera with a confident and relaxed expression, smooth body language, making very gentle hand movement. Her facial expression are engaging and dynamic, reflecting the tone of her speech. Right? The reason why you want to actually state that she is static and making gentle and smooth movements is because you don't want your AI to be all over the place. You want the movements to be very smooth and, engaging, but not all over the place, or you don't want it to just look distorted, if you get what I mean. The next thing you're going to do is go down and click on here, and then you're going to change this to the second one that says 12v01 live, because this is the only way that you can create a video using Hello. So we're going to click on this and change it. Now that is done, you can see that my picture is really not properly downloaded. You can see upload failed. So we're just going to go back in here and try to refresh it. If it doesn't work, you just have to re-upload it again. Once you re-upload it, then you'll be perfectly fine because it's going to get uploaded. As you can see, my picture has been properly uploaded. The next thing you want to do is go back and change it to 1201 live, and then you're going to click on the part that says 30 coins, and you can see that the AI is already generating a movement for my avatar. You just need a few minutes and you're going to get your AI to have, or your avatar to have, movements. You can see that she has hand movements and lip movements, but she's not really saying anything in particular. Now we want to create another avatar that is, having hand waves. So we're going to copy the next prompt and then we're going to paste it here, and then we're going to click on create. Let's see what it's going to create for us. You can see that it's already loading. If you look at the right hand side, I'm sure this is going to create something great. You can see my prompt. It says a happy girl waving. Now we have an avatar that is waving. The next thing we want to do is to merge the videos together, right? We're going to merge the two videos that we just created, and we'll be using CapCut. Yeah, we'll be using CapCut for this. So all you have to do is select all the clips that you have downloaded and just merge them on CapCut. Make sure that you reduce all the clips to 3 minutes. It shouldn't exceed 3 minutes. Even though whatever you want to create is more than 3 minutes, just make sure that it doesn't exceed 3 minutes on CapCut, right? Now, the next thing we're going to do is to go into our browser and, log into Dreamface. When you sign in, you're going to see something like this. Then the next thing you want to do is click on All Tools. When you click on All Tools, you're going to see the list, and you have to choose Photo Lip Sync or Video Lip Sync, right? And then you're going to click Generate Avatar Video. When you click on Generate Avatar Video, this is what you're going to see. By the left hand side, you're going to click on it, and then you're going to upload the video that you had earlier saved from CapCut. So you can see that it's already uploaded. The next thing we want to do is get an audio for this. So if you want to use an AI generated audio, you can do that, or if you want to record your audio yourself, you can do that as well. So in this video, I decided to use my own voice. I recorded my voice. So what I'm going to do is click on audio and then upload the recording that I already have. After doing that, I'm going to click on generate and it's going to start generating my video. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Now you can see that everything is meshed together and my AI is talking and everything she's saying is synced with my audio. So guys, I'm really not going to play this to the end because the clip that you watched in the beginning of this video is what we just created. Make sure that you follow every step as I have shown it in this video and you'll be able to create your own perfect avatar for your videos. Also, if you have any questions, don't hesitate to ask me and I would make sure to answer all your questions. If this video was helpful to you, please leave a comment for me and also subscribe to the channel. Give this video a thumbs up so that YouTube can show it to as many people as possible who might need it. Thank you so much for watching. Have an amazing day. Bye.